Me again. What I'm going to do today is, this is a cluster, a color display cluster from a Mark III. Thank you for that. Mark III focus. I'm going to change it from 155,000 miles to 621 miles. Okay, now the majority of software, virtually all the software that you can buy, will not change the mileage down. It'll only change the mileage back up. Okay, so what we're going to do with that one, so look at that, 155,342, we're going to make it 642 miles. So what we're using is the MT programmer. I'm going to read the mileage. Okay, and I'm going to change that mileage to 1,000. This is in kilometers. Okay, change. So you notice it changes the items in the prompt. Right. If we come back over to here, reboots. Now all this can be done in the car. The cluster does not actually have to be removed. There we go, 621 miles. So that's that one done. How quick was that? Now we are going to do the same with a Mark II cluster. So this is a Mark II. So what I'm going to do, bear with me, is I'm going to unplug it. If I can get it unplugged from here, and I'm going to plug it into this one. So let's just turn off the dash, plug it into this one. So this is the Mark II. Turn it back on again. Okay, now if I just turn this off, you can see that one's got 129,000 miles on it. I'm just going to make that again 621 miles. So it's going to go backwards for a Mark II. So we're just going to turn the ignition on, and we are going to go. We're going to find this cluster. So it's focus, so it's not that one. Go down to the next one, it's that one, and obviously the next choice would be that one. Okay, so that's the one we want. I'm going to read it. This one takes a little bit longer. As you can see, it's reading the EEPROM. Now obviously with the Mark IIs you can actually clone it. You would do a read, save it, and then write it. You can't do a full flash on these, but you can read the EEPROM, save the EEPROM, get another cluster, load the EEPROM into it, and all that information would then be saved. Okay, backup saved. Okay, port closed. Right, so this one's showing 208,000 kilometers. We're going to change the mileage to 621 miles. Okay, which is 1,000 kilometers. So I'm going to go change, and then write. What it's doing is just shut off the dash. Port closed. System's now back on. If I now just turn off the ignition, there we go, 621 miles. Virtually every scanner that you can get will put the mileage forward, but it will not put the mileage backwards. Not even Forscan, Autel, none of them will put the mileage backwards. This will do it in seconds. Okay, so basically what you get obviously the software on a USB drive. You can just load it straight in. You get the ELS 27 OBD programmer, and you get the security dongle. It will not work without its security dongle. Very easy to install, and we are selling this, or I'm going to sell this one, because this is, I don't actually need it. I've got a couple of these, and I'm going to sell it for £299 delivered. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you're interested. Okay, thank you for watching.